What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to add PayPal to your Fiverr account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So how to connect your PayPal account with Fiverr. So to connect your PayPal account, go on the Confirm and Pay page, then select PayPal. Mark the Remember for Future Payment checkbox and click PayPal Checkout. You will be redirected to the PayPal, and be sure to follow the instructions. Once your payment is approved, your PayPal account will be connected. To pay with the connected PayPal account, on the payment page, place your order. Your PayPal account will be charged with no additional login required. And of course, you can use PayPal Mobile to connect your PayPal Mobile. For Android, click the three dashes on the top left, select Settings, then go to the payment option and select PayPal. So basically those are all the ways you can connect your PayPal account to your Fiverr, and it's quite an easy and it's a fast process. So basically, when you are paying on the place your order, your PayPal account will be charged with no additional logging after you have successfully connected it with your Fiverr account. So overall guys, that's the entirety of the process. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.